So guys, hi, my name is DiMaggio, and today we're going to be making a pizza. So the first thing we should do is preheat the oven to 425. We gotta wash our hands. So now we got the pizza mix. So we pour it in the bowl. Now that we got all the pizza dough in the bowl, we add 1 cup of hot water. Now that we got all the hot water in the pizza dough, we're gonna mix it up really good. Now that we got all the pizza dough mixed up together, all the flour nice and smooth together, I'm gonna pick up the bowl and we're gonna put it in this hot water. Be careful because it's really hot to help the pizza dough rise really quickly so it can help us with rolling up on the ball. Alright guys, see you in a few minutes.
A few minutes later.
Guys, I told you we'll be back in a few minutes. So yeah, now that our dough is done rising up, we're gonna spray the pan with Pan. Shake it up. I'm gonna find the spray card. Now, I'm gonna spray our hands so this pizza dough won't get stuck on our hands like glue. And now we got the pan over with. We're gonna put the pizza sauce on the pizza dough once we're done rolling the ball up, and we're gonna use this to spread it out. So we're gonna take the napkin off. We're gonna take the out the so yeah. Now we're gonna start picking up the pizza dough. Then we're gonna start rubbing it into a ball. It's a little hot, so. Now that we got the dough out of the pan finally, we're gonna flatten it out. Flatten it all out. You can make it as a square, rectangle, or any way you want it. But I'm gonna do just a normal circle, the classics. So now that we got our pizza dough spread out, we're gonna start putting the sauce, spreading it all out on the pizza. Alright, and that should be about it. So now we're gonna start putting the cheese on our pizza. The mozzarella cheese. I prefer you to use mozzarella cheese than other cheese because mozzarella cheese is the cheese you're supposed to use when making a pizza. So we're gonna start using mozzarella cheese. Now that we got all of our cheese spread out on the pizza nicely. Right now I'll put it in the oven because I love some cheese pizza. But I'm gonna put just a little bit of toppings on it. I'm gonna put pepperonis. Little pepperonis on the side. And I'm gonna make it like a halfway. So I'm gonna show you how to do it like a halfway. So yeah, I used to love Pizza Bully's pizza, but now they're adding too much sauce on their own pizza, so I skipped over to Wise Guys. And Wise Guys got the best pizza. So now that we got all of our toppings, pizza decorations, or whatever on, now we're gonna start putting the pizza in the oven for 10 whole minutes. Put it in for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes. first, I'm gonna get some gloves so you won't burn yourself when you're putting the pizza in the oven. So yeah, like I said, put it in for 10 whole minutes. But if you just want some well done pizza, put it in for a little bit extra time, like 3 or 4 more minutes. So yeah. Alright guys, hold on. Let me get this gloves stuck in. Bye! So guys, this is what our pizza looks like when it gets out the oven. Whoa, well done. But yeah, if you just kept it in for 10 whole minutes, then yeah, it might look a different way. You might be wondering what this is in my hand. This is a pizza cutter. We're going to be cutting the pizza into individual slices, so it'll be easier to pick out your slice. Alright guys, so now we got all our pizza slices cut out how you want it. I don't know how you guys did yours. I did mine complete triangles. Nice like that. Smooth, nice like that. Well, yeah guys, that was for today. The pizza making. But yeah, this was our pizza making. Yeah, so see you.